Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the class not registered error on Windows 11. This error usually appears when opening apps, files, or system features, and it is often caused by broken system files or wrong app settings. First, we will reset default apps. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps, then click on Default Apps. Scroll down and find the option to reset all default apps. Click the Reset button and wait for the process to finish. This step helps fix issues where Windows does not know which app should open certain files or features. After resetting default apps, close the Settings window and restart your computer. This makes sure the changes are applied correctly. If the error is still there, we will re-register a system file using Command Prompt. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If a permission window appears, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command exactly as shown. Reg svr32 explorer frame.d ll. Press Enter on your keyboard. You should see a message saying the file was registered successfully. This command fixes problems with system components that control the File Explorer and other Windows features. Once the command is done, close Command Prompt and restart your computer again. In most cases, the class not registered error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.